Hi there, this is Mrs. Cariotti from the Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York. What I wanted to do was share a brief lesson reviewing subtraction within 20 using our strategies that we've been learning about at school, where we draw pictures to represent the bigger number, and then we cross out the smaller number to determine the difference in our answer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start us right off by putting a problem right on the screen for you to see. What we are going to solve is we are going to solve the problem 12 minus 5 equals blank. Now remember, the first number is always the number that we're going to draw our picture for. Okay, so our first number is 12. That's our bigger number. When we're subtracting, we always draw the bigger number. So we're going to draw 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now with subtraction, remember, this is our subtraction sign. That means we're taking away. We're not adding 5 more, we're taking 5 away. So what we're going to do is we are going to cross out 5 of our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to count how many we have left to determine our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 left over. So we started with 12 and we took 5 away and we have 7 left. 12 take away 5 equals 7. What we're going to do now is we're going to do one more problem together. I'm going to write it here. 14 minus 6 equals blank. Okay? Now we're going to use the same idea that we did before, where we have our bigger number. Our bigger number is 14. It always comes first. We're going to draw 14 circles, and then we're going to take 6 away. So I'm going to get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now remember, this sign right here, that tells us to subtract or to take away. We are going to take away 6 of our circles. We're going to cross out 6 of them. Okay? I'm actually going to change my color this time. That way you can really see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count how many circles are left over to determine what we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 circles left over. I started with 14 and I took 6 away, and that left me with 8 circles. I want you to continue to practice solving these subtraction problems, the ones that I have attached to your assignment and given to you. Okay? I'll see you again soon.